The sun is rising over Makarska's coast, spilling gold across the sleepy sea. The light moves slow over the rooftops, and Olivia begins her walk with you. Barefoot, quiet, she follows the curve of the shore, where the mountains touch the sky, and the sea whispers in a language only we understand. The air is soft with salt and pine, fresh with the scent of figs ripening on warm branches. Cicadas begin their summer chorus, hidden high in the tamarisk trees. Each step a rhythm, each breath a story. This is Beach Walk with Olivia. Come with me on Olivia's walk, where history sleeps beneath the rock, where the waves have seen 1,000 years, and the wind still dries this beautiful land. Makarska's heart beats quietly between the sky, the stone, the sea. The Biokovo Mountains rise behind her, wild and ancient, carved by time. They hold secrets in their shadows, and a skywalk of glass that floats above the world. Skywalk, Biokovo, where clouds pass beneath your feet and the land falls away in a breathless view. Below, Olivia walks by the shore, where small fishing boats sway on silver waters, and cats stretch lazily in doorways older than memory. She pauses by a small chapel tucked between stone houses and lavender bushes. Its bells once rang warnings of autumn and ships. Now they ring only for weddings and evening prayer. Makarska remembers everything. She just doesn't rush to tell. Walk with Olivia, step by step, past ruins, roses, sun-warmed steps. In every breeze, a secret flows. In every wave, the old world glows. This isn't just a seaside town, it's where time folds and slows back down. Promenade glows in morning light, lined with palm trees and quiet cafes, where coffee is sipped slowly and conversation hums like a lullaby. Locals greet each other with a nod, fishermen mend their nets with salt-stained hands, and old women sell lavender sachets wrapped in linen and memory. Olivia walks past the harbor, where Makarska's heart beats gently in the sound of water slapping boats and seagulls calling to the wind. Farther down the pebble don't seem real. You can see every shell, every fish flashing like silver through sunlight. This coastline is part of the Makarska Riviera, one of the most stunning stretches in all of Croatia. Hidden coves, sea caves and cliffs where falcons soar. Every year visitors come for the sun, but they stay for the soul. Did you know Makarska's roots run deep back to Roman times, when it was a small harbor known as Inaronia? In the 6th century, Byzantines built walls to protect her, and later, under Venetian rule, she became a gem of the Adriatic trade routes. Even now, beneath the waves, archaeologists still find amphorae, silent witnesses to ancient days. As the sun climbs higher, the colors shift from soft gold to blinding white. People laugh in the water and music drifts from a distant radio. Olivia walks on, smiling at the world wrapped in sunlight. She collects moments like seashells, quiet, small, perfect. This is Beach Walk with Olivia, but it's more than a walk. It's a return to something pure. Come walk with Olivia by the sea. Let Makarska set your spirit free.